Hello everyone, this is Sep Sanford. You're watching my YouTube channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you don't miss out. And follow me on my Instagram, link in the description. And for today's vlog, I'm going to a special Bonfire Night event a couple days before the actual event on the 5th of November, which takes place almost every year. And remember the 5th of November. Bonfire Night is also known as Guy Fawkes Night. And before we head on over to a special location where the Bonfire Night event is taking place, let me walk you through my findings about the history of Guy Fawkes Night. It's all explained here on these pieces of paper. And you'll find the images here on my side of the screen, on the left side. Okay. Bonfire Night, also known in the UK as Guy Fawkes Night or Guy Fawkes Day, ignites every 5th of November to mark the failed 17th century attempt to blow up Parliament and assassinate King James I. You can mark the occasion by lighting your own bonfire, going to a fireworks show, or learning more about the gunpowder plot. When does this take place? Like I already said, the 5th of November. Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night is celebrated on the 5th of November in the UK. The easiest way to recall the date is with the famous nursery rhyme. It goes like this. Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason, and plot. We see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. In the UK, Bonfire Night commemorates a story of failure. All over the UK, people relive the night Guy Fawkes, Robert Catesby, and a small band of co-conspirators failed in their attempt to blow up the Parliament building and assassinate King James I in 1605. What came to be known as the Gunpowder Plot was hatched out of an uncontrollable anger against the king for his growing intolerance against Catholics in response to the ever-expanding Church of England, headed by the king himself. Fawkes and Catesby were both ardent Catholics who felt that Catholicism could only be reinstated after armed struggle. So the plot involved blowing up the Palace of Westminster on the opening day of Parliament when the king was in attendance. The plot was eventually discovered when an unknown member of the conspiracy got cold feet and sent a letter to a member of Parliament, warning him away from the building that night. After a brief struggle, Fawkes and his group were taken into custody. On the very night of the failed plot, British citizens lit bonfires all over London in celebration. Fawkes and the co-conspirators were convicted of treason, which meant a slow but torturous death of being drawn and quartered. However, Guy Fawkes jumped to his death seconds before his execution, taking his own life. After a failed coup, I don't even know how to pronounce that word, but the title card says it all. Parliament declared the 5th of November as a day of Thanksgiving on its first observance in 1606, and it has since been commemorated as a Bonfire Night. And that's what happened on Guy Fawkes Night. Alright guys, it's the 1st of November, the moon is up, the stars are here, and my bracelet's on my wrist. It's that time of year again. Tonight is Bonfire Night, a couple days before the actual Bonfire Night, Guy Fawkes Day, the 5th of November. And I'm really excited to see what they have in store this time. Unfortunately, I'm not going to say where the special location is, but so far, the skies are really good today. But let's just hope it doesn't rain, because I have double layers. I have a warm coat for protection in case I get a little cold, and a protective raincoat, so that I don't even have a shower, just like I did back in Disneyland. Anyways, let's start Bonfire Night. Welcome to Bonfire Night. The tents are up, the lights are on. Love those lights. Down the path that leads the way. We have a carousel. And we also have a big slide over there, the size of a big tower. And we even have some live music and lots of food too. this Tuesday night is going to be a really big one, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the big piles of wood burn up and light up the sky to create a huge bonfire, and to light up the sky, a set of fireworks that goes on for around less than 10 minutes, which I'll be recording on camera. This is going to be fantastic. It's all to the soundtrack of Bonfire Night. We have some food stops over here. Unless you want to fill up your stomachs, I'm going to fill up my stomachs as well. We have some hot dogs, and we might have some chicken and fries, which I'm definitely going to try out. I still love them, 10 out of 10. I know, I loved them the last time. And live music is right over there. Okay, so I got my chicken dish here alongside some salad right here with a bit of dressing. We have some cabbage here and some carrot slices. And I don't even know what dressing is on there. I'm probably guessing it's probably just a little bit of dressing there. And I also got my bowl of fries with some ketchup all over on the top. I'm gonna try the salad first thing. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it is a little bit loud. I can tell by the loud music, the live music. So I can taste the cabbage and the carrot slices, but I don't feel any dressing. How about the chicken? I know what the chicken tastes like, but let me try the topping. It's crunchy chicken. Love the crunchy chicken. Just like the ones that they sell at M&S, Tesco's, whatever shop there is around the UK. Perfect chicken right here. A special location. And now the fries. Yep. I was gonna save 10 out of 10 for later during that last clip. But I gotta say, just like last year's the Bonfire Night chicken and fries, I love them. This one here, 2022 chicken, salad, dressing, and fries, I'm definitely giving them 11 out of 10. Yeah, this is perfect for Bonfire Night. Now it's about time we check out the live music.
So much.
So I would like to see the bonfire and catch it on camera. And wow, that's a big bonfire, and that's a big pile of wood. Who did this? It's so cool. Whoa! Oh, I should have caught that in slow motion. That's insane. I'm back at the bonfire site, and they're nearly about to set off their fireworks. I can see a few firework displays here that they got from the stores, like the big sticks sticking out. I think we're in for a treat, a wonderful treat. I really can't wait. The fireworks have just gone off, and I missed the first one. Oh. fairy dust. I guess Tinkerbell has got her pixie dust ready. Is that it?
No.
I believe it is. It was wonderful. The fireworks were amazing. I stopped for the ones at Disneyland. I'm probably going to see more fireworks by then during Christmas season. And I still have one token left in my half meal, so I'm probably going to go get some more fries. And also, it's time for some more live music.
Everybody, it's been an absolute pleasure to be here this evening. Thank you so much, everybody. Good night.
And that's where we wrap up this year's Bonfire Night. Had such a great time, amazing live music, great energy, great fireworks, and a huge bonfire made up of huge piles of wood. And I can't wait till next year, 2023, to see what Bonfire Night brings us. In the meantime, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on for new videos, and follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and I shall see you in another video. Peace.